Authentic Thai iced coffee recipe, easy and delicious. Sawasdee Kha. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the flavors of Thailand right to your kitchen. Today, we have a special treat for all you coffee lovers out there. An authentic Thai iced coffee recipe that's not only easy to make but also incredibly delicious. So, let's get started. Ingredients. 2-3 tablespoons of Thai coffee grounds, dark roast. 1-2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. 1-2 tablespoons of sugar, adjust to your taste. 1 cup of boiling water. Ice cubes. Coffee filter or a cloth bag for brewing. Instructions. Brew the Thai coffee. Start by bringing 1 cup of water to a boil. Place 2-3 tablespoons of Thai coffee grounds into a coffee filter or a cloth bag. Put the coffee filter or bag in a glass or a coffee press. Pour the boiling water over the coffee grounds. Allow the coffee to steep for 4-5 minutes, or until it's reached your desired strength. Sweeten the coffee while the coffee is still hot. Add 1-2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. Adjust the sweetness by adding 1-2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir well until everything is dissolved and combined. Chill the coffee. Let the coffee cool down to room temperature, and then transfer it to the refrigerator to chill for about 30 minutes. Prepare your glass. Fill a glass with ice cubes. Pour and enjoy. Once the coffee is chilled, pour it over the ice in the glass. Optionally, you can add more condensed milk on top for an extra creamy texture. Give it a gentle stir and garnish with a coffee straw or a slice of orange for a Thai twist. Serve and sip. Serve your authentic Thai iced coffee and enjoy the refreshing and aromatic flavors of Thailand right at home. Thank you for joining us today and learning how to make this authentic Thai iced coffee. We hope you enjoy this delicious beverage as much as we do. If you liked this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing Thai recipes. Sawasdee Kha, and see you in the next video. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.